Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. In this video, we will learn how to approve and deploy updates to client machines using WSUS. In the previous video, we connected our clients to the WSUS server via group policy. Now it's time to actually deliver updates to them. Let's get started. First, open WSUS Management Console from your Windows server. Open Server Manager. Go to Tools. Select Windows Server Update Services. Expand your server. Before approving updates, make sure synchronization has been completed with Microsoft Update. Go to Synchronizations. Check last synchronization result. If not synced, click Synchronize now. Next, let's browse the list of available updates in WSUS. Go to Updates. Expand updates. Go to all updates. Here you will see pending, approved and install updates. To make it easier, filter updates by needed so you only see updates required by your client machines. Change the filter according to your requirement. Now select the updates you want to deploy and approve them from your computer groups, such as test or production. Right click on the update you want to approve and select approve. Choose group and select approved for install and click OK. WSUS now download the approved updates and store them locally on the server. Click close. Now go to client machine. On the client machine, you can force updates to check in immediately using the command. Open command prompt as administrator. Now run this command. And then run this command. Finally, verify that updates are installed on clients. On client, open Windows Update Settings. Go to Settings. Go to Windows Updates. View Update History. In Update History, you can see the update approved by administrator. And that's it, you have successfully approved and deployed updates to your clients using WSUS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital IT Lab for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is Baz. See you in the next video.